Want to create a stunning, professional presentation without spending hours fighting with complex design tools? In 2026, you don't have to. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at Prezi AI, a tool that lets you build studio-quality presentations through a simple conversation. Getting started is incredibly easy. Instead of staring at a blank slide, you just describe what you need in plain English. You can even drop in your existing files, like a PowerPoint, a PDF, a Word document, or just your raw notes, and Prezi AI will instantly transform them into a polished, highly engaging deck. Because the AI is trained on over 500 million real-world presentations, it actually understands what looks good right from the start. Once your presentation is generated, you don't have to learn a complicated editor to make changes. You just talk to the AI like you would to a colleague. Ask it to adjust the tone, swap out images, or refine the layout, and watch it update in real time. When you're ready to present, you get the best of both worlds. You can choose a traditional slide deck or use Prezi's famous dynamic zooming format to really capture your audience's attention. When you're done, you can easily download your work as a PowerPoint, a PDF, or just share a direct web link. Now, let's talk about what users think. Prezi's website boasts strong 4.6-star ratings across thousands of customer reviews, praising its ability to grab attention. However, because our independent review data is limited today, we highly recommend signing up for their free trial to test the AI conversational editor for yourself and see if it fits your personal style. If you want to save time and make your next presentation stand out, head over to Prezi.com and give it a try. Let me know in the comments how it worked for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick AI tutorials. See you in the next video.